Hi, Johnny Locksmith here for Fast Las Vegas Locksmith. Here in Las Vegas, the entertainment capital of the world, unemployment is hovering around 10%. What does that mean to the local Las Vegas locksmith industry? Business is good. The downside to that is residential crime has risen dramatically, and more folks are calling local locksmiths to secure their home properly. When it comes to home security, that's not something that most people take lightly or should take lightly. You want to make sure that you contact a professional Las Vegas locksmith that specializes in home security systems. Now, at Fast Las Vegas Locksmith, not only do we specialize in the installation of home security systems, but we have been thoroughly trained on actually how the home security systems work. So when it comes to securing your home here in Las Vegas, you want to hire a professional locksmith company. To hire the most dependable, the fastest, and absolutely the most affordable locksmith here in Las Vegas, go to our website at www.fastlasvegaslocksmith.com.